Hey, what's up, Wink Holder? So today video is going to be very special for Winklink Holder because my friend Wink is completely fails down and those days especially. So therefore, my friend, I draw a chart for XFP holder. You can see here this time the chart. You can see here in the green arrow. You can see here after a very high jump they fails down. And definitely, my friend, you can see here this time the 28th of April and the 28th of April. You can see here they hit the very high target, my friend. And after this jump they fails down very fastly. You can see here. So my friend, this is the circulation. Everybody understand to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. But this circulation is continuously as here, my friend. If they fails down, you can see here this point. You can see here they fails down, and the red line you can see here represent the fails point. You can see after a fails point they come to the midpoint and they hit the resistance line. So this time you can see here is the resistance line. So both lines touch the resistance line. So this is completely a good circulation. Okay, after this they starting moving up, they fails down, or they gonna straight. What's the circulation, my friend? If coming days they moving up, what's the target, my friend? You can see here this time. I think, my friends, this is very important for every holder to they understand, to they know, to they go up in upcoming days or they fails down. So let's see, my friends. I tell you in this video, but before I get started the video, I request to my brother to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest news and updates. I guide you like this absolutely every time. I guide you, my friend. You just click on the subscribe button and complete my 10,000 subscriber and complete just 500 like on this video. Thank you so much. Come to the point, my friend. If you can see here, this time I draw a three charts. This point is continuously this time at the same time, my friend. After that they moving up, they go straight or they fails down. What's going on in the last and upcoming 24 hour, my friend? If we I think we need a more volume. If we take a volume, then exactly, my friends, we go in the moon, we go off. But definitely, my friend, if we lost more volume, then exactly we are go fails down, we are completely go fails down. But if we continues at this process, we cannot take a good for volume or good my friend volume, no lost and no fail, no take. So absolutely, my friends, we go in the strat. So therefore, my friend, hope you understand. If you can see here, if we take a more volume, so this everything depend on the volume, but volume is cannot possible, I think, in those days, especially because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in those days, my friend. So if we check out, my friends, the latest Winklink coin updates, you can see here -8% they fails down just in the last 24 hour. This time you can see here the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and the last 3 days they -9.9% fails down. So definitely they will continuously move in the fails. You can see here continuously fails down. You can see here, if my friend, this time everybody note this time also this process. You can see here. So you can see here that sometimes they fails down the third line. This line, my friends, touch the very bad for a very fails point, my friend, and the first line touch the highest point. So you can see here, if I draw the resistance lines, exactly the resistance line come here, and if they cross the resistance line, you can see here this time they cross the resistance line. So it's absolutely, my friend, everybody know to they are go in the negative, and the change occur as a negative. But if they are cross the resistance line, then they are in the profit and they give you very good profit. The change occur is also in positive. So my friends, hope you understand. This time they also fails down more because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. But I hope, my friend, in the next week they go and the moon completely, they go in the moon, because I think Winklink is go and completely decided to they hit, my friend, $1. I think this is the target. So I hope they can hit it easily, my friends. But please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.